As every year we are conducting this JMO, Jyoti Mathematical Olympiad test. In the test, every year the children first in beginning of the year they used to write 1000 chain, then it is increased to 1500 chain, then is increased, it is last year 18 to 1900, and now it is increased almost to 2/3 above. And moreover, Jagitchal parents really, I am very thankful to all the parents of Jagitchal town and the rural also from Nachpeli and some different places the children registered. And 2 days back only, due to heavy strength, we have closed the registrations actually. Don't mind why, because we have only 2200 to 2300 accommodation we are having. Now present in the IIT campus first floor and second floor and corridor and high school campus and high school campus playground and play school and convent. Almost of these 4 to 5 campuses this exam is going on. So in this exam, on the birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan, on his day, we are going to give the best performance cash awards and 50 members consolation prizes we are going to give. Once again, a big thank to all the parents who is giving very good support and encouraging us to conduct such an exam. అండ్ రియలీ నేను అసలు ఊహించలేదు ఇంత గొప్పగా రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఒక సిస్టమేటికల్లీ అంటే అంటే ఆ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ దగ్గర కానీ అంత క్లమ్జీ ఉన్నా కానీ రియలీ ద పేరెంట్స్ కోఆపరేషన్ వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ ఫర్ coming to the conduction of exams and our team really they have worked hard, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, PETs, Mr. Naveed and Mr. Shrikant, our IT department, Mr. Suresh and Chandu and Nikhil and Subhash, and 4 in charges, Sujit, Mr. Rajendra, and coordinator of this exam, Mr. Shravan and Mr. Anand, and coming to Mr. Bumareddy and Sushendra, it's everyone, campus in charges and floor in charges and coordinators, everyone, they have done well without any disturbance. How many online registrations we have done, and like that, according to that, we have taken the question paper prints and very smoothly. Now by it is 10, now just we release the question paper. By 10:15, we are going to give them the OMR sheet. By 10:30, they are going to get the question paper. 10:30 to 11 that exactly. And before the exam, on the Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday, before day, we are going to, call you personally. Who 4th to 9th class, who is the toppers, cash awards and consolation awards. Really, thank you Jagitchal, especially. Really, thank you very much. And our Siddhartha education institutions, either Jyoti or Manas or Surya, Ravindra or Gyam School, really, our management and our teachers, their planning, working, everything is good. So once again, thank you all the parents from Jagitchal town. Thank you, Manada.